Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to install ChatGPT on desktop, right? In this video I'm going to show you two methods how to install ChatGPT on desktop. So first method is open your browser, then type ChatGPT download, click the first link, ChatGPT on your desktop. When it's opened, download for Windows. Then click download. You can download it from here. So it's the installer. When it's downloaded, then run this installer. So the second method is Microsoft Store. You can download it from Microsoft Store. So first of all, open Microsoft Store. When it's open, then search here ChatGPT. Open this application. I have already installed this application, so if you haven't installed it yet, then they will give you an option Get. So you should click on Get, then it will be going to install. Then when it's installed, then click on open. Now it's going to open the application. Click on login. Now it'll take you to the web browser, so you should log in from there, and there you should enter credentials if you have an account, or if you don't have, then continue with Google. So once you entered all your credentials, then it will be working on your desktop. So thanks for watching.